Being low maintenance is a scam invented to make people accept less.
Ooh, okay.
I said what I said. Yeah, because I really think it is. Like being low maintenance, like we celebrate that like oh super low maintenance.
Yeah. Like, what does it mean to be low
Low
maintenance? And
maintenance.
like, what's the comparison or like the scale or like, how are you defining low
Low
maintenance when you
maintenance.
say that about yourself?
Yeah, or like if you are in a relationship and you're like, "Oh, my partner's super low maintenance." So you get to be lazy? What the fuck are you saying to me? Yeah, I think it's like it's okay to not be low maintenance, and it's okay to like be like, no, I actually like really am clear on like this standard or this thing
Yeah.
that I like or this thing I desire, whatever. Like insert thing here that would be seen as high maintenance,
Yeah.
and celebrate that and be okay with it, because I think being low maintenance is 100% like it's another one of those modern scams of like designed to just make us be like, oh yeah, I actually,
Yeah.
and spoiler, whoever the low maintenance individual is, being low maintenance is not benefiting you. It's benefiting the other
The other
person
person. Yeah. Or
who
like, I don't have to put much effort in, especially in a relationship dynamic.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. I feel like for a long time, I always was like, like in friendships or relationships or whatever, I'd be like, oh, I'm super low maintenance. Like I can be flexible, no worries. And the older I've gotten, the more I realize that's actually just my people pleasing, like
Mm-hmm.
just showing itself.
Yeah.
And
And like our self-worth episode of like, oh gosh, maybe I'm like not worthy of like this time or attention or the
or
money or like,
asking for this.
yeah. Yep.
Yeah, absolutely.
I love that.
Yeah.
I
So
100% agree.
like I don't have much to say besides that.
Yeah.
It's a scam. You guys stop being low maintenance, ask for what you need. Don't be afraid to have the high standard or to be high maintenance.